Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and sync data on the Microsoft Edge web browser. So if you want to sync data like your extensions, history, apps, your payment methods, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Microsoft Edge, if it's not already open, and select the three-dotted icon at the top right, and select where it says Settings near the bottom of this list. On the left side, you want to go where it says Profiles. Go ahead and just left-click on that. It should be the default landing page regardless, but if you're taken somewhere else, just want to have you recognize that you can go underneath Profiles to get to this screen. Where it says choose an account, you can click on the drop down here, add a new account. So if you have a Microsoft account, for example, you can go ahead and add that right there by just selecting add a profile. You could do that too. The little plus button to add a profile in here. And then you could sign in to your Microsoft account to sync the data. And basically then what that'll allow you to do is then sync up those settings like I was talking about, like favorites, history, payment information, that sort of stuff, passwords. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and it would sync it up across all Microsoft Edge browsers that are connected to your Microsoft account. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.